My favourite free app this week is DC-9 Overdrive from Blamsoft. DC-9 Overdrive is a circuit-modelled overdrive that emulates the famous Ibanez TS9 tube screamer. The DSP algorithms in DC-9 take into account the entire schematic using the latest modelling techniques. This gives you an authentic analogue sound that matches the character of the physical circuit. Good stuff. You have 4 controls to play with here. The tone knob adjusts a low-pass filter that sweeps from a low to high frequency. The drive knob applies gain to your track, though it's worth noting that the distortion effect applied here isn't a hard clip, meaning you'll be able to get some warmer, more cohesive sounds. The mix dial controls how much of the wet signal is present, and the level dial adjusts the final output volume. Now you can do a lot with this fairly straightforward looking app. You can keep things dialed back for a subtler overdrive effect. Or crank it up for a more dramatic, raw sound. It obviously sounds great on guitars, but it's also useful for adding a wee bit of crunch to drum tracks as well. DC-9 is iOS only and AUV3 only, so you'll be adding it to your tracks in GarageBand via the plugins and EQ menu. A worthy addition to any iOS music maker's sonic toolbox, you'll struggle to find an easier to use overdrive effect in the App Store. Blamsoft's DC-9 Overdrive is available on both iPhone and iPad from the App Store. You'll find a link to that down below. I'll be back with another free app next week. For now, feel free to share your favourite free app in the comments. Bye for now.